79 times 26 using the partial product method. First, we're going to take our first number and separate it into expanded form, making that 70 plus 9. We're going to do the same thing with the next number, making it 20 plus 6. We're going to stack these up so that our place values are lined up. So our ones place and our tens. Then we're going to multiply. We always start in the ones place and we're going to go up. 9 times 6 is 54. Then we are going to go up and over. So we'll go 70 times 6. So add your 0, further your 0, and 6 times 7 is 42. Then we're going to move on over to our tens, and we are going to go up. That is 1,400, and we are going to go up and over 180. When you add that up, that gives you a grand total of 2,054.